All right, guys and gals, we want to go over how to find the volume of a regularly shaped object. And when we say regularly shaped in this class, we're talking about something that looks like a rectangular prism, like this pencil case, or something that looks like a cube. For my example, I'm going to use the pencil case. So we want to remember that we can find volume with a mathematical equation. Volume equals the length of the object times the width of the object times the height for cubes and rectangular prisms. So we obviously need a scientific tool, and our scientific tool today is going to be this ruler. Notice I am using centimeters, do not measure in inches. We use the metric system in science class, so you will need to use centimeters. And if you also notice, my ruler doesn't start at the edge of the ruler, it actually starts a little bit in, so that's where I need to line up the edge of my box. Okay, so here's our regular object. The length is going to be the longest side, that's this one right here. The width is going to be the one that runs across the top, it's how wide it is, and the height runs from the bottom, touching the table, to the top of the box. So first, we're going to measure our length. We're going to line up. Notice I'm not lined up with the end of the ruler. I'm lined up with that first line. And if we line it up here, measures at 19 centimeters. So our volume equals 19 times the width. We're going to turn our pencil case around here so that you can see it. And again, I'm not lining up with the end of the ruler. I'm lining up with the first dark line. That measures at 6 centimeters, so our width is 6, 19 times 6. And then lastly, we need to measure our height. And because our ruler doesn't start at the end of the ruler, we need to turn it so that we can measure appropriately. You always need to check and make sure. So I line up the first line with the edge, and we measure at, let's see, about 2.5 centimeters. So our volume is 19 times 6 times 2.5. You'd plug that in your calculator and that would give you your answer. And this is centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. So your unit is always going to be centimeters cubed, or to the third power. Good luck, have fun, happy voluming.